Okay. What is the title of the story?
Let's us.
Let us.
Let's us.
Let's. Why are you telling
Let
let?
us be
Truthful.
truthful.
Okay. Start reading. Let's see.
Vikram
Visited.
visited his friend
Raja.
Raja.
I will ask question to everyone. Pay attention to this.
A tailor.
So now tell me who was Raja? What was Raja?
Raja was a tailor.
Very good. I will ask question to each and everyone. So that's why pay attention. Whatever she is reading.
I lost 30 gold coin today. He said
Sadly.
sadly.
Now tell me who had lost 30 coins? Can you tell me?
I think Vikram.
You think Vikram. Is it so? Check the first line. Vikram visited his friend Raja, a tailor. Raja was a tailor. I lost 30 gold coins today, he said sadly. Who? He means Raja or Vikram. Let's see what happens. Continue reading.
The
Purse.
the purse it was in
Seems
to have
fallen.
fallen from my pocket. Later, Raja's daughter Silpa came home from school.
Okay. Now tell me what was the name of Raja's daughter?
Silpa.
Very good. I will ask question to each and everyone.
Father, look. Found a bag.
I found.
I found.
Not ow. It's not ow found. It's I found. Continue.
I found a bag near the big
Fig.
fig tree.
Okay, can you remember we have discussed already about this different types of fruits? F for fig we have done. Okay, in the previous class we have done F for fig. Okay, now who found the bag near the fig tree?
The big
Near the fig tree?
Silpa.
Silpa. Who was Silpa?
Raja's daughter.
Very, very good. Everyone, all of you are doing very nice. Continue. Raja
Raja said,
saw
so that there were 30 gold coins in the bag.
Now can you tell me who had lost the bag gold coins?
Raja.
Raja. Now you are Rani. Now she is Rani, na? That's why you are smiling a lot. Continue. I will ask question, He knew.
He knew that the big fig tree was just outside Vikram's shop.
Vikram shops. What kind of shops he had? Tailoring shop. Okay. Because Vikram was a Vikram was a
boy.
tailor.
Continue.
Continue.
Raja was a tailor.
Sorry, Raja was a tailor. Sorry, Raja was a tailor. Not Vikram. Sorry. He.
Vikram's shop. He took the coins to Vikram. My daughter found this bag on the road near your shop. He said, this must be your 30 coins.
You will read the story after that. Okay, continue.
Vikram was not an honest man. 30 coins only. But I had 40, he said angrily. You must have taken 10 coins and given me the rest.
Turn the page.
Raja was
Upset.
Upset meaning?
Means very sad.
He was an honest man. There were only 30 coins in the bag that Silpa found.
Okay, now tell me who was Silpa?
Silpa was Raja's daughter.
Very good.
He said again. Bikram
Pretended
pretended meaning
means he was trying to be like that. Basically, he doesn't know anything. Okay.
to be angry. Let us go to the judge who will
Decide.
who is right. He said. The judge listened to him and sent for Silpa. How many coins did you find? The judge asked her. Sir, I found 30 coins, she said. The judge turned to Bikram. How many coins did you lose?
You lose.
You lose. 40, said Bikram.
Bikram is still lying. Okay, he is not telling the fact. He is still lying.
Then this cannot be your coins.
Okay, now I have one question. So Bikram is telling that I have lost 40 coins, but there were 30 coins. That's why the judge is telling that. The judge is telling that this cannot be your coins because you have lost.
30 coins.
You are telling that you have lost 40 coins, but here in the back
30 coins.
30 coins. Which one Silpa has found? Okay, so let's see what happens. Continue. If
No one comes looking for them within 15 days, Silpa may keep the coins. Bikram.
so, now you tell me, what did the judge tell? The judge told that if no one comes to take the coins within 15 days, then the coins will be kept by who will keep that? Who will keep that? Silpa. Very good. Continue. You are not listening, I think. Okay, continue.
You must wait till you must wait. You keep
Someone.
quiet now.
Continue.
Someone you just finds yours 40 coins, but they are
Mine.
mine. Sir, he said, I lost 30 coins. I just made up the story about the 40 coins to get a few more. This made the judge very angry. Rajesh and his daughter are honest. He said they wanted to turn the lost coins to you, but you lied and tried to cheat them. You also lied to me
As punishment.
as punishment. You will give 10 gold coin to the city to help the poor people.
Okay, very good. Now you tell me, what did the judge tell to Bikram? What did the judge tell to Bikram? You tell me.
What did
The judge tell to Bikram. The judge told that you have to. Can you tell?
you have to give?
1 minute. Can you tell? What did the judge tell to Bikram?
Sir, I can.
You will tell. Okay, tell.
You have to give Raja 30.
As you have lied,
As
so
you
this was
lied.
your. This is your punishment that you will give
You will give 10 coins to Raja.
to the city. To the city for what?
For poor people.
For the poor people, for the betterment, for the welfare of the whole poor people, because you have lied to Raja and you have lied to
Bikram. This one is
to the judge also. So that's why, as a punishment, which one?
Raja, this one is Bikram.
No.
This one is Bikram, this one is Raja.
Huh.
No, this one is
Who is getting angry? This is Bikram, and who is this man is
Raja.
Raja. Okay, and here we can see the judge. And can you identify
Judge.
which one is the identify?
Judge.
Here, judge.
This is Bikram, Raja, Silpa.
Silpa. Now we will try to understand this story. Hello. Now we will try to understand this story with a diagram. Let's see.
Diagram.
You just come here and check this one.
What is this
So
one?
Bikram was going to Raja. Bikram has lost actually his 30 gold coins, and Raja was a tailor. Silpa found. So when Silpa was returning from school, she found the gold coins
From a fig tree.
under a
Under a
fig
fig
tree,
tree.
and that fig tree was near
What
the house,
now?
near the shop of Bikram. So that's why Raja thought that this coin must be of Vikram. So that's why he was trying to he was asking to Vikram, but Vikram lied everything, and the judge also he lied. Finally, when he admitted his fault that no, these are not my coins, so the judge gave punishment to Vikram. What was the punishment?
To give 4 coins.
No, you are wrong. You are,
To give 10 coins for poor people.
who was telling this?
Judge.
To whom?
To Vikram.
As a punishment that you have to give 10 coins
To the poor people. To the city.
to the poor people. Is it clear the story? Very good.